Hey, was ist los, jeder? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from the Gundam Zeta series, and this is issued by Bandai. And this is not a master grade, this is a reborn 100, or the kits that Bandai doesn't make a master grade, and instead they just did a high grade or a 1/100 scale out of that model, something like that. So to be honest, I don't like buying this, but when I heard and I researched that this is an Amuro Ray, the iconic Gundam pilot, this is an Amuro Ray mobile suit, which is the DJ, I got an interest in buying it, and I searched it for almost a year. It's been I had a hard time looking for this kit. So it took me about 1 year or almost 1 year of looking this in all markets. But most kit of this kind is very overpriced. But thankfully, I saw a shop from China that they sold it to me at a reasonable price. So I'm very happy. Thank you for that Chinese store. And there, I will have a partner for my Yakushiki because of this. Because in the story, Amuro and Quattro Vagina, or his enemy Char, became somehow friends or ally on that anime, and Amuro, using this Karaba mobile suit or Karaba unit mobile suit, he piloted this and he united with Char. So let's check this kit out. Fuck you, motorcycle! Let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. Pangit Pirate Los Kids. MSK-008 DIJEH. And I really like the name of this. It's like DJ, but it's I think DJ, something like that. So this is a 1/100 scale model kit, reborn 100, and this is a Karaba prototype mobile suit. And I don't have that much research topic about this kit for further explanation in this blog, but I just like the appearance of this kit, especially the color. The color is very unique, and it will break away the monotonous color of the traditional white, blue, yellow, red colored Gundams, and even the red colored of all protagonist or antagonist suits. But this one, I really like the color. It's like a bubblegum colored model kit. You can see the DJ here, and in the back or behind him is the Yakushiki, and this Yakushiki is one of my favorite model kit in the Gundam universe. And I have this Yakushiki as a gift from my wife. Actually, she is still my girlfriend that time, and she gave me this as a Christmas gift to me, this Yakushiki, and it's very special to me. That's why I need to put a suitable partner for that gift, which is the DJ MSK-008 DJ. And there we can see the DJ wielding its double beam saber sword, something like that. Anyway, the side of the box, so you can see this DJ here. To be honest, DJ looks like a gay butterfly. because of this. I called it gay butterfly because of these wings, which looks like a butterfly, but the proportion of these wings doesn't suit the the legs of this kit, but still cute, to be honest. I really like the it looks comedic to me. Anyway, we have here the DJ wielding this two double beam saber, something. I don't know how it's called. Sorry. And there we have this gun similar to the Yakushiki. So it has the similarity with the Yakushiki rifle, and there even the clay bazooka. So they share the same weapon. They have the same weapon with the Yakushiki. So there we have the DJ, front view and rear view here. So I really like it that the weapons are being attached to the kit. This rifle can be attached at the back, and even the clay bazooka. So there, this the accessories here. We have the clay bazookas and the rifle. Same with the Yakushiki and this beam saber. I don't know how it's called. Sorry, please comment it in the comment section. I don't like researching how it's called, this one. And there we have interchangeable hands. So the box, to be honest, the box is really dented due to the delivery process from China to Philippines. And there, if you open it, you can see the instruction manual. You can see the manual here. Reborn 100, Mask 008 DIJEH, and there the amount of runners is not that much, and this is what I like with the 100. It's not that detailed, or there's no parts, or there's no complicated building process, if I assume. And there you can see that it is segmented. These are for the body unit, head unit, arm unit. So there's a segmented printout of which parts are you making. There we can see the body unit. There's a simplicity. Thank goodness. I really like Reborn 100 out of this kind of building process, because I'm now tired building master grade, to be honest. I really like simple kits nowadays. And there we have this simple building process here. Maybe I can finish this within 1 hour or 1.5 hours. Okay. Then there's this butterfly wings, the gay butterfly wings. Okay, so the weapons can be attached in the back of the kit, which is very nice, same like the Yakushiki. So the parts here are in the gray parts. We have for the inner frames, the tubings here. We have the beam saber effect there. We got this turquoise blue, something like that, or bluish green colored plastic, which is very nice. I really like this kind of color. And we have red, yellow, and transparent parts there. Got this gray parts for the wings, for armor pieces. And another one here. These are gray, metallic gray colored parts for the gun, clay bazooka. We have small stickers there. We got this bluish green colored runners, but there's this parts falling out from the tree or the spruce. This is for the feet, I presume. And got this poly caps here, gray polycaps. Then there's this Amuro Ray symbol and Anaheim Electronics logo for the decals. And then we got some falling things there. I don't know what are those things. They're falling parts. And there we got the hands, interchangeable hands for the gray parts. As always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's start with this multicolored runner, which is the runner A. We have here yellow colored pieces here for the neck collar, the sabers, and the vents. We have red parts here. This bubblegum bluish green colored chunky parts for the legs, and we have here clear pieces for the head, I presume. Then we got this bluish green bubblegum colored parts, and there are parts already detached due to the poor shipping process. Then we got this runner F2 for the inner frame parts. We got this gray runners, metallic gray runners for the guns and the clay bazooka. There's already detached part here for the clay bazooka due to the fact that shipping process is so poor in China. And we got this dark blue pieces. We have two sets of this for runner C, and it's rating now in the Philippines. We have this SB17 for the saber, boom saber effect parts. We got this runner E for the plastic tubings. We got this runner F1 here for the hands and inner frame parts. And there are parts already detached here, again, for shipping process. Finally, we got this runner D1 for armor pieces, and we got polycaps, tons of polycaps here, and we got stickers and this sticker decals here with Amuro Ray sign or symbol. We got this foil stickers also. Okay, so this is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, take care, and thank you very much for watching this unboxing of this MSK-008 DIJEH by the Karaba Air Force, and it's a prototype mobile suit by Amuro Ray from the anime Gundam Zeta. Okay, see you then.